In this video, I will show you how to correctly run FSHack Studio on Linux system. So make sure to watch the video until the very end. The first thing that you're going to do is install Lutris. Go to the lutris.net and scroll down to find the Linux distribution. You are using many popular distributions like Linux Mint, Ubuntu or Ubuntu are not listed here because they are based on the Ubuntu or the installation routine is same as Ubuntu. Now install a Wine version in Lutris and start Lutris from the new shortcut in your application menu. If you don't have a shortcut, you can start Lutris by typing Lutris in your terminal. Before we can start installing FL Studio, we need to download a version of Wine inside Lutris, because under the hood, Lutris is using a Wine to run your Windows applications. Now activate the entry with the largest version number on the top of the list, the one with the FSHack part. Next, the configure Lutris for the FL Studio setup. Now that Wine is installed, you can tell the Lutris where to install FL Studio. Just press the large button in the Lutris top left corner to add a new game. Lutris is mainly used for games, but it works for application. To enter the FL Studio in the name field, set the owner to Wine and confirm the question. Next, switch to the game option tab. Use the browse button in the executable field to locate the FL Studio setup. If you don't have a setup at hand, download the version from the official email line. You should specify where you want to install FL Studio with the browse button in the Win and prefix installed. If your Studio and Lutris, go to the large panel on the left and click on the games. You should now see a new entry called FL Studio. Double click the FL Studio entry to start the setup. Here you should see a info box with a wine glass icon appear. You will almost likely to see a message that reads, Wine could not find a Wine Momo package which is needed for .NET application to work correctly. Wine can automatically download and install it. If you see this menu, take the offer and press the installation button. For some reason, the Wine info box disappeared. Nothing happened. After a while, try starting the setup again. Next, start FL Studio. Now the setup is complete. We have to configure the FL Studio entry. So it's start FL Studio and set up the setup. Right, click the FL Studio entry and configure to game option. Tab, you need to point executable path to flstudio.x file, which is called FL624. This file located inside a folder you have chosen as your Wine prefix path, followed by the folder you have installed FL Studio in. Save the charge path. You can now start FL Studio. That's how FL Studio is going to look like from your lineup, and that's how to download and install FL Studio on Linux. And that's it, you are done.